SpaceX's philosophy is simple: build, test, break, learn, and improve. At Starbase in South Texas, this cycle is constant. Hardware is built, tested to failure, and rapidly redesigned. Unlike traditional aerospace, which spends years on simulations, SpaceX values real-world data from actual hardware. Failures aren't setbacks, they're data points. Each test, even the explosive ones, feeds directly into the next design. The site is more shipyard than factory, with teams working around the clock to iterate at unprecedented speed. Starship's evolution from Starhopper to today's towering vehicle is proof of this relentless approach. SpaceX prefers to find weaknesses on the ground, not in flight. In late 2025, a new piece of hardware appeared at the Masseys test site, a specialized section hinting at a major Starship design change. It wasn't a full rocket, but a critical component, signaling the next leap in Starship's development. This test setup showed SpaceX was already tackling the toughest challenges for its next orbital flight. The company's methods solve problems before the full vehicle is even assembled. Every test, every failure, is a step closer to Mars. This is how SpaceX moves fast and breaks barriers. The future of rocketry is being built, tested, and rebuilt, right before our eyes. And it all starts with the courage to try, fail, and try again. At Masseys, a new configuration appeared, a reinforced ring section atop test tank B18.3. This wasn't just a recycled part, it was a brand new structure, never before tested alone. SpaceX repurposed the old tank to focus on this single, crucial component. The new hardware was the aft section of a future Starship upper stage, complete with engine mounts and a thick, reinforced ring. This ring was a major structural change, never seen on previous Starships. Its presence at Masseys, a site for pushing hardware to the limit, signaled a serious test. No nose cone, no flaps, just the ring, isolated for maximum data. By stripping away everything else, engineers could zero in on how this new interface handled stress. This is classic SpaceX. Test the riskiest part early, aggressively, and cheaply. SpaceX watchers quickly speculated the ring was for hot staging, a new separation technique. The reinforced ring would handle the violent forces of this maneuver. Seeing it on the stand meant theory was becoming reality. SpaceX was moving fast, turning design into hardware. The company was tackling one of Starship's last big hurdles for reliability and reusability. Every test brings the dream of rapid, reusable spaceflight closer. At Masseys, the future of Starship was taking shape, one ring at a time. The message was clear. SpaceX is always building what's next. Let's break down this new section. It's the aft skirt of Starship, the engine mounting point and structural backbone of the upper stage. Here the thrust of 6 Raptor engines is transferred to the rest of the vehicle. The skirt also houses plumbing, avionics, and quick disconnect points for fueling and data. But the star is the reinforced ring, the hot staging interface. This ring must support the full weight of Starship and survive the violent forces of hot staging. It's the load path for both gravity and engine thrust during separation. During hot staging, Starship's engines ignite while still attached to the booster, with exhaust vented through the inner stage. The ring endures compression, heat, and intense vibration. Testing it on the ground is essential. Failure here isn't an option. This is where engineering meets reality. Hot staging isn't new, but SpaceX is scaling it up for full reusability. Traditionally, rockets separate stages gently, one shuts down, the next ignites after a pause. Hot staging is different. The upper stage fires its engines before the booster fully shuts down. For a moment, both stages are firing, and the upper stage pushes itself away. This saves weight, keeps propellant settled, and boosts performance by reducing gravity drag. Even a small efficiency gain means more payload to orbit. For Starship, every ton counts. But the forces are extreme. The booster must survive another rocket firing inside it. The new ring must bear the weight and the violent push of separation. It's a trade-off. More performance, more complexity. The connection's strength is mission critical. Hot staging is a bold move, but it's key to Starship's ambitious goals. The future of heavy-lift rocketry depends on mastering this fiery dance. Why not test the whole rocket at once? SpaceX's answer: focused, rapid learning. Building a full stack is slow and costly. If one new part fails, you risk losing everything. Isolating the hot staging ring lets engineers push it to failure, gathering precise data. Sensors and cameras capture every detail, revealing exactly where and how it breaks. This method accelerates development. While one team tests the ring, others build engines or avionics. Parallel progress keeps the project moving fast. Focused tests mean cleaner data, no confusion from other systems. If the ring fails, the cause is clear. Diagnosing and fixing issues becomes much faster. It's a scientific, methodical approach to building reliability. SpaceX's secret: test small, learn big, and move fast. That's how you build a rocket for the future. The hot staging ring faces immense forces. It must support over 1,300 metric tons, the weight of Starship, without buckling. Then, it must survive the dynamic loads of launch, vibrations, thrust, and the shock of hot staging. The Masseys test simulates all this with hydraulic rams and cryogenic temperatures. The tank is chilled with liquid nitrogen, mimicking real launch conditions. Metals behave differently when cold, brittle, less forgiving. SpaceX has learned from past failures, like the first Starship flight in 2023. Each test leads to stronger, smarter designs. The new ring is being pushed to its limits before ever flying. This proactive testing is how SpaceX ensures the next flight is safer and more reliable. Every lesson learned on the ground is one less risk in the sky. The goal: find weaknesses now, not during launch. That's how you build a rocket that can fly again and again. Every test, success or failure, is a lesson written into SpaceX's history. Early Starship prototypes taught hard lessons. Each crash was a step toward mastery. The new hot staging ring test continues this tradition. It's a direct response to past challenges and a leap toward future reliability. Hot staging changes everything: loads, stresses, and risks. By testing on the ground, SpaceX builds a library of data for true reusability. Starship must fly, land, and fly again, hundreds of times. These tests validate the design, ensuring the ring can survive repeated flights. Each data point brings Starship closer to revolutionizing space travel. This single test is a small but vital step toward Mars. Every strain gauge reading shapes the rocket that will carry humans to new worlds. Progress isn't one giant leap, it's thousands of bold, deliberate steps. And SpaceX is taking them, one explosive lesson at a time,